welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm popping in from the future. I've been editing this video and I feel like I need to give a little bit of context. So this was supposed to be an August reset video. Obviously it is now like 2 weeks into August basically. I started filming this late July and it was supposed to go up at the very beginning of August, and then I had a little crash out. I'm sure you guys know if you've been keeping up with my vlogs, but I've been going through a very stressful couple months, and a couple days into filming this video, I kind of just hit my breaking point and had like a week of just the worst mental health I've had in literally years. I'm feeling a lot better now, but yeah, this video did end up taking longer to film because of that. I'm sure you guys don't want to see a week of me just crying, so I had to pause on the filming. You'll see a tiny little bit, and honestly I was wondering if I should just scrap this video, but I was like, you know what, this is real life. I don't care to make my life look perfect on social media, and I actually think I did a good job of trying to pull myself out of the rut that I was in. So I was like, you know what, let's just keep it in. I haven't even finished editing this video yet, so I have no idea what it's gonna be like, but I hope you guys enjoy. It was a very productive vlog at the start, but it turned into more of like a self-care video, which I also think is productive, just in a different way. But thank you guys for understanding and for bearing with me. I know my channel has been a mess, and I'm hoping to fix that very soon. You guys will get all the explanation and everything in my next video. Anyways, sorry for all the weirdness. Let's get into the video. It is time for an August reset. Can you believe it is already August? Because I cannot. August is going to be a very busy, very exciting month, and that is why this monthly reset is very important. I have some random tasks that I need to do, and if you watch my channel, you know that all of my resets have some form of mental health activity, I guess, because it's so important to prioritize that. So that's all gonna be in this video. I'm in the mood to be productive. I love when I get in that mood because it doesn't happen often. I just realized I haven't had my coffee today. It's a little late in the day, but that's okay. Let's make a coffee. Okay, I have my coffee. The first thing I need to do is run the dishwasher and do some laundry. I have some that just finished drying, so I need to put that away and start another load, but we're out of dishwasher pods. So I have a big Amazon order that I need to go through. We placed a very large order of some stuff we need for something coming up. The order itself though is kind of boring. First we have paper towels, we have toilet paper. I also got these washing machine cleaners and dishwasher cleaners. We have some dishwasher pods, got a toilet bowl cleaner, some trash bags, and then this one was part of the order, it just came separately. I got a tape measure. We really needed a bigger one. This one is 25 feet and it's pink. I've never had, wait, I was gonna say I've never owned like a large, nicer quality tape measure in my adult life, and I think there's one that came with the drill that I have, so I think I do own one. This one is cuter, so it's fine. Okay, those were the boring packages. I just needed to get out the dishwasher pods. I actually have one package that came in this morning. I've been wanting more colorful bags. I feel like I own a lot of neutral colors, and I saw an ad for this purse and looked at the colors that they had, and I fell in love with this one, so I hope it's cute in real life. Oh my god, it's perfect. Oh. This is so cute. Okay, it's this woven bag. It's like this aqua color. I feel like teal is so trendy right now, but this is a very similar color that I like even more than teal. It's a little bit softer, and I feel like I will not get tired of this. It has this like lining on the inside that has a little, oh, you can just take it out. I didn't realize it was removable, but it has a little drawstring so you can keep your stuff safe and it won't fall out. So maybe I will use that. But how cute is this? It's like this pale aqua blue. It honestly looked more teal online than it does in person, so I'm very pleasantly surprised with the shade that it is. I would've been okay with it being teal. And Cleo is trying to eat my Amazon bag. Why do cats love to chew on plastic? Oh, she's fully trying to get in this box right now. Oh. Now that I've done my little haul, I can't wait to use this. I guess it's time to start our chores. Let's start the dishwasher. Oh, smoother than I thought. So last night after I ran the dishwasher and the laundry, I edited a bit and submitted a video for a brand. Cleo has the zoomies once again. I swear she knows when I'm filming because at all other times she's a very quiet, very chill cat. When I run the dishwasher or the laundry, I like to make sure it's kind of the last thing that I do because I can't really film while those are running because they get so loud. But that got done yesterday. Here's the plan I'm thinking of for today. I have some donations to drop off. I've had stuff sitting in my hallway for like weeks now, so I need to actually go take those and donate them. Oh my goodness, nope, nope. The airplane ears. What's going on? fun. Anyways, after I drop those off, I'm gonna run to the car wash. I was thinking about waiting. We actually have Braden's brother coming into town this weekend. It's his birthday next week. So we planned a whole birthday weekend for him and I'm so excited. And I think we'll go to the beach at some point. So I was gonna wait to wash my car, but I kind of just want to have it clean. So we're gonna do that. I need to vacuum so bad. I have so much sand in my car. I need to go to the grocery store because we're gonna make him a cake. So I need to get some frosting. We're just gonna do a box cake because I think that's his favorite, just like a yellow cake, chocolate icing. I also just love a simple box cake, sometimes more than a cake made from scratch. I think we already have some stuff, but I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff we need and then we'll head home. I think that should be it. And then I'll just see what needs to be done when I'm back. Let's go run our errands. Time to vacuum. I forgot my little rags to dry my car. I can never time the dryer right. I can see the back window is still kind of wet. Wait, do I not have quarters? No. Oh wait, there's a spot where I can get quarters. Okay, we're good. You need quarters for the vacuums here, which is kind of annoying. Okay, I think we're pretty much good. I did run out of time on the vacuum and I didn't feel like paying again, but I feel like we got pretty much everything. The passenger seat could be vacuumed a little bit more, but it still looks pretty good. I really wanted to get the driver's seat and the trunk done, which I did do. I do have this little thing where you can spray the screen and then wipe it down, so I'm gonna do that. I have some shout wipes in here, so I'm gonna quickly wipe down just the dash, I guess. This is really dusty, oh my gosh. I'm gonna wipe out the cup holders. I remember my last car, I didn't really clean out the cup holders very often, and I didn't think I needed to because I'm not really like spilling things. But then when I was cleaning it out when I was about to get my new car, it was really dirty, so I don't want that to happen again. I also have these little coasters that match the interior of my car, and I have little trash cans in here. I'm actually gonna empty these before I leave. I actually only had one of these, and then I ended up finding the other one in the back seat when I was vacuuming, so I'm very happy about that. I have one of these little trash cans in the passenger too, but that one does not need to be emptied. I don't think anyone ever really uses it. Okay, I'm gonna go toss this and then we'll run to the grocery store. Okay, we're back home and the next thing I wanted to do was make some banana bread. Whenever we have family coming to visit, if the timing is right and I have bananas that are ripe enough, I love to make banana bread to have throughout the weekend because it's so easy and then you just have a little breakfast or snack throughout the day. So I made that. I will have the recipe linked in the description. And then I did the dishes while it was baking. Normally I procrastinate that part, so it felt really good to get that done. And then I painted my nails because I realized they were super chipped and this would kind of just be the best time to do it and have time for them to dry. So I did this gorgeous pink sparkly color. Okay guys, it's the next day. Nails are done, banana bread is made. I actually just had a slice and it's really good. Braden's brother comes tonight, so I'm gonna try to get as much done as I can before he gets here. I'm wearing my comfy outfit today. I have on my Hillary pants from Brandy and a matching t-shirt. I love this little set. Something about being in this set is making me feel like the mom from Mean Girls. I feel like a diva in this, in the best way. Okay, the two big things that I need to get done today are clean and make Sean's cake. I'm gonna start with making the cake because that's what's gonna kind of take the longest. And I'm gonna need to be working on that throughout the day while letting it be in the fridge in between. So it's best to just start that now. I'm gonna go make the actual cakes and then we'll start on cleaning. Okay, it's a lot later and I messed up the cake. How does one mess up a box cake? It is like several hours later actually. I've been doing other things in between. I have not only been working on this cake. I wanted to film something separate today, so I did that, edited and posted it. Before that, I put the cakes in the oven and I think I took them out too early, but when I poked them to test them, it came out clean. So I thought they were done. So I took them out and then realized a few minutes later, these are definitely not done. So I put them back in and that process basically repeated several times. And I thought we were good, but I left them sitting out to cool while I filmed my video and I came back and they looked like donuts. Like the outer circle was done and looked fine. The inner circle was literally just battered. It had completely sunken in. I don't know how or why that happened. So I had to DoorDash more cake mix and start over. So now the new cakes are in the oven. How did I manage to mess up a box mix? Like I can't get over that. Anyways, we're trying again. These are almost done, so I don't want to leave to go start cleaning until they're completely done. So I'm gonna do that. It's way later than I wanted it to be, but then we will do some cleaning. Guys, what is going on with these cakes? Maybe I'll just have to go buy a cake at this point. I'm just gonna go clean my room. I've wiped down all the main surfaces in my room, but something that I always forget to clean is baseboards. And I feel like it really does make a difference when they are clean. The room does overall just look cleaner, so I'm gonna clean the baseboards right now. I need to do it more often. I just always forget about them. And then we will vacuum and mop. Guys, it is now several days later. So this video was supposed to go up a bit earlier, but I have just kind of fallen into a rut the past few days. I'm gonna try not to cry. I don't even want to fully get into it because I will cry. But yeah, my mental health is not doing good right now, to say the least. I wasn't sure if I even wanted to include this in the video, but I feel like when I talk about things that I'm struggling with my mental health, I always get comments that it helps you guys feel less alone if you're also going through something. So yeah, and I also just wanted to push myself today to just try to do things that I know are gonna help. So I got ready today. This was actually gonna be the next thing that I wanted to do in this video anyways, before I had my moment. But the next thing I wanted to do was actually just take like a mental health day or half a day or a few hours, whatever, and really just try to relax and calm my nervous system. So I guess the timing works out that I definitely need that today. I also got ready today. I have not been getting ready because there's been no point in like putting on makeup because I will cry it off. But today I decided to do my makeup, do my hair, put on an outfit. And what I want to do is first of all go for a walk. I went on a walk yesterday by the beach and it was so nice. So we're gonna do that exact same thing again today. And then I want to go to my favorite coffee shop, get myself some coffee, maybe something to eat. And I'm gonna take my journal and my book. I don't want to take anything work related like my laptop. I just want to be able to relax and enjoy myself and sit outside. So that's the plan for today. If you are also struggling right now and going through something, I would highly recommend getting outside in any way that you're able to. If you have a favorite restaurant that has an outdoor patio, go take yourself on a little date. If you have a park that you like to go grab a book or like a little coloring book or something and go lay out at the park. I'm sorry for like the vibe switch of this video. Obviously I don't want this either, but I also just wanted to share in case this could help anyone, and I want to try to keep doing things that bring me joy, like making YouTube videos. And the entire point of my YouTube channel is to document my life and in the future to be able to look back on all these different things that I was going through. This reset video that was supposed to be very productive and motivating has taken a turn and I'm so sorry. This is also just real life, so yeah, I don't know. Let's go try to make ourselves feel better and get outside. Alright, you guys, we've come to the end of this video. Like I said at the start of the video, I haven't finished editing, so I don't even know what you guys just saw. I'm sure this video is going to be short and strange, but like I said, I didn't want to just scrap it because this is real life. I started this channel to document my life, and that's what I'm doing. And one day when I'm in a better place, I can look back on this and hopefully see how much I've grown. So again, I'm so sorry for the messy video. I have no idea how this video is going to turn out. I hope it's not terrible. But yeah, I appreciate you guys so much for supporting me and supporting my channel. Seriously, it means the world to me, and I love the community that we've built on here. And I think that's another reason why I do enjoy talking about mental health on my channel, because it's just another way that we can all connect and feel a little bit less alone. And Cleo wants to say hi. Hello! She is the sweetest little girl ever. If you don't have a cuddly cat, you know this is a huge deal. This made my day. She's purring. Okay, well, on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye!